Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete WhatsApp backup from iCloud. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to our settings, tap on settings, and then tap on your iCloud account. And again, tap on iCloud. And from here, just tap on under Save to iCloud. So we have here See All. Just tap on it. Now scroll through the apps right here. You'll be able to see WhatsApp or WhatsApp Messenger. So you can go ahead and tap on Disable so that it won't sync. All right. Or if you don't want it to automatically create a backup file in the future. So go ahead and go back right here. Go ahead over to iCloud Backup. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you'll be able to see all of your backups right here or the apps. Okay. And if you see WhatsApp or WhatsApp Messenger, just tap on it and just tap on Delete Data. Or for other models, it will say Delete Data from iCloud. So just tap on it and just confirm by tapping delete. And after that, you're good to go. Now, if you want to know how to do it on a computer, well, you can just go ahead and let me know in the comments below. But that's just how you delete a WhatsApp backup from iCloud using your iPhone. Okay, and by the way, another option, you could go ahead over to WhatsApp, go ahead over to the U section, and tap on, scroll down a bit, tap on Chats, and you should be able to see Chat Backup. Just tap on it, and make sure that Auto Backup is off. And right here is not synced. All right. Now let's go ahead over and check. Go back again. Storage and data. Manage storage. You can delete chats here as well. But that's just basically it. That is how you delete WhatsApp backup from iCloud. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.